Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn about amines. What are amines? It is a very important chapter that is given in the 12th NCERT of chemistry. Amines. Amines chapter we will learn about what are amines. First of all, amines contain most of the knowledge about organic compounds that contain nitrogen. So, organic compounds that contain nitrogen. So, we will first of all see what are amines. For example, 1 degree amine, 2 degree, 3 degree, and quaternary ammonium salt. So, let us see the formula for 1 degree amine. For 1 degree amine, the formula is RNH2. Yes, for 2 degree, the formula is R2NH. And for 3 degree, the formula is R3N. And the quaternary ammonium salt, that is basically R4 positive N. And there will be some anion also associated with it. Okay, so let us learn about the basicity order of amines, which is very important. Every year a single question is expected in JEE, NEET, boards, CBSE, PSCB, ICSE, whether you are from the state board, every board. So let us see now the basicity order of amines. The basicity order of amines depend upon many factors like steric hindrance, resonance, mesomeric effect, and isomerism. Means in different amines there are the different basicity order depending on the R group, and in aqueous medium and in the gaseous medium there are different trends, and there are very irregular trends, so we have to remember that. So first of all we will see the basicity order in the case of gaseous medium. So first of all we will see basicity order in gaseous medium. So this is gaseous medium. So let us begin. In gaseous medium, only one factor is taken, that is the plus I effect or the resonance. Yes, means if we see any amine, so nitrogen has a lone pair. Let us say 1 degree amine. Nitrogen has a lone pair that it wants to donate. So if the plus I effect is more, means the donating groups are attached to the nitrogen, then the nitrogen will be able to give the lone pairs very easily. So in 3 degree amine, like this is 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree. You can see that in this case we are having only one R group. In this case we are having two R groups, and in this case we are having only three R groups. So more the number of R groups, more will be the basicity order. So if we write the basicity order in the gaseous medium, so that will be 3 degree, more than 3 degree, more than 2 degree, more than 1 degree. But in the case of aromatic compounds, the benzene ring offers the steric hindrance and also the minus I effect. So in the case of aromatic, like this aniline, this is aniline. So aniline will be less basic, because in the case of aromatic amines, the benzene ring offer minus R effect. So due to minus R effect, it will not allow. And this, the lone pairs of the nitrogen, you can see here, the lone pair of the nitrogen are taking part in the resonance. So if they're taking part in the resonance, nitrogen will not be able to give the lone pair, and it will not give any basicity. So 3 degree, 2 degree, and 1 degree, and in almost all the cases, the aromatic amines are less basic and the aliphatic amines are more basic. Now let us see in the case of aqueous medium. In aqueous medium, everything is seen like steric hindrance, mesomeric effect, resonance, and plus I and hyperconjugation. So in aqueous medium, there are two different trends that we all have to remember, because it is very important to remember these. So let us write these trends. In the case of R, where R group is CH3. When R group is CH3 means methyl. When R group is CH3, the basicity order here is, the basicity order is 2 degree, more than 1 degree, more than 3 degree. Yes, this you have to remember. This is very, very important. Very, very important. But if R group is C2H5, if R group is C2H5, for example, R group is C2H5, then the basicity order will change to 2 degree, more than 3 degree, then 1 degree. So these both orders are very, very important for JEE NEET boards, every for which every competition you prepare. So these both are the very important orders that we must remember. So let me just summarize and write all the things. So let us summarize. In gaseous medium, we are having 3 degree, more than 2 degree, and then 1 degree, irrespective of the R group. But in the case of the aqueous medium, we are having, if the R group is CH3, then it will be 2 degree, then 1 degree, then 3 degree. But if the R group is C2H5, then it will be 2 degree, more than 3 degree, more than 1 degree. So this you have to remember. This is very important. We will continue our amines chapter in the next lecture. So do like, share, and subscribe to Bhumika for biology and chemistry. If you want to get best notes and complete syllabus for NEET 2021 and 2022 from NCERT. Thanks for watching.